Why on earth would you buy passive studio monitors? Well, turns out there's a couple of pretty big advantages and a couple of disadvantages. In the case of the Amphions, their cabinets would not be able to be designed if there was an amplifier pack with them. You can see on the front that we have our drivers and our tweeter, but on the rear we have bass radiators. If there was an amplifier on the back of this design would just not be possible. So that means that the amplifiers have to be external. There's a big advantage to this as well. The system is inherently more modular, so this means that if anything happens, all you need is a different amp pack or a singular monitor, but rarely both. Now you might have noticed that these Amphion 218s are sat on these big black boxes down here. These boxes are the Bass 225s. This is a low frequency extension unit. It too has its own amplifier and crossover point. Now what's really cool about this is that as you pick your crossover point, that relieves the top speakers from having to deal with low or sub frequencies, so they become more efficient and you have far more control over your bottom end. Another big advantage to having passive studio monitors is that if you want to try different amplifiers, you can very easily do so. That means that you can pick the tone you like with the speakers you like. Now of course there are a couple of disadvantages. Obviously with active monitors, you buy the speaker, the amplifier's in there, all you gotta do is connect an XLR and you're good to go. Over here you need to have a couple of extra cables from the amps to the speakers themselves and the XLRs. But other than that, there's not really anything to complain about. I'll see you in the next video.